Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see collective noun. The words like bunch, flock, bundle, etc. stands for a group of people, animal or anything of the same kind is called collective noun. Here are some examples of the collective nouns. A crowd of people, a school of fish, a herd of cows. Let's read some more examples of collective nouns. A pride of lions, a crowd of peoples, a bunch of keys or bananas, a swarm of bees, a school of fish, a litter of puppies. So friends, this is the example of the collective nouns. Friends, in this video we have learned collective nouns, but in earlier videos we already learned common noun and proper nouns. You can get it detailed videos in my channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.